Hey guys, welcome to the new course. The course name is called Complete OAuth and Authentication Mastery course in React Native. So in this course, we are going to learn about how to implement the authentication in React Native along with the backend. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna build the backend, and in this video, basically we're gonna talk about the introduction of the course. All right. So as you can see, this is the thumbnail of this course, and we're gonna talk about this all the stuffs. So in this course, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create the sign up screen. So if I show you the quick Figma, so this is a sign up screen. We're gonna make it like login screen, then sign up screen, and after that we also gonna create this forget password screen, reset password screen, and also the next thing is that once we're done with this, we're gonna work on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and also continue with Apple. I will also provide this Figma link so you guys can check it out. Okay, but after that we gonna give you this documentation, like give this notion URL. Here we'll find all the course details. Like in the day one, what we're gonna do, we're gonna talk about the importance of authentication and security. We're gonna also talk about this JWT, OAuth, OTP, role-based access, how we do the OAuth operation, all the things, how authentication works in real-world apps. And if you talk about the tech stack, so let me talk about the tech stack. So on the backend side, so we're gonna build backend as well. So we're gonna use Node.js on the backend, MongoDB, okay, and Express.js. We're gonna write it complete from scratch, and we're gonna deploy that as well. On the front end side, we're gonna use JSTand, MMKB, React Hook Form, Jod validation, Axios, Tiny Stack query. Also, we're gonna write the master E2E testing. This all the code which we are going to write, that code gonna be a production ready, so you don't have to think, or you can use that code base in your next project. So in this section, this is the things which we're gonna just let you know what we're gonna do like every day. So on the day one, we're gonna do this all this stuff basically, and after in this day two, we're gonna create the Expo project and set up the Axios, React Form, Juiced, and MMKB. Then after that, we're gonna start working on sign up screen design, login screen design, and after that, we're gonna start creating the backend. Okay, we will create the APIs, and after that, we will integrate that APIs. Okay, so we're gonna use the JWT access token and refresh token. We're gonna also understand like how to use JWT access token, refresh token, because in I work in a company, and there we use access token, refresh token, and how we store the password in the backend, like we hash the password and so on. So the UI gonna be really looks great. You can also, I will also provide this all the UI, so you guys can use this all the Figma link according to your app requirements. Okay, now after that, we're gonna talk about this all the stuffs, and yeah, we're gonna also work on the forget pass UI, forget password, OTP screen, and so on. Okay, so yeah, this all the things. So in the last, we're gonna deploy the backend project on Vercel as well. And yeah, that's basically we are planning it out to complete the authentication module and release to you, like, so you didn't face any challenge. So this is the all the goals of this course, and if you have any questions, just let me know. We will also cover that all. And if you're a beginner to the started with web technology or back end, front end, I will teach you from very basic level, so it will become easier for you to understand and build the apps. Because in any apps, if you're building a social media apps or any apps, they're one of the most important things, that is called OAuth and authentication module, and a lot of people lacks there. That's why we are here to help you out. All right, so in the next session, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start working on the project setup. Okay, and we're gonna, if you talk about the technology, so for the technology, I'm gonna use the Expo. So if you're using React Native CLI, that's also great, you can use that code base, but currently I'm preferring Expo because it is it's become robust nowadays, and that saves a tons of time. Okay, and in the company, a lot of company are using now Expo. So I would say Expo community is really good, and go with the Expo now. Okay, also just letting you know one more thing, guys, please visit zerodecoder.in. Here you found great courses for your for the React Native. Okay, and yeah, please visit zerodecoder.in and explore some courses here. And if you found any relevant courses, you can also check it out, this build a music player with React Native, you can also check it out that. Also another thing is that we're gonna talk about that if you have any idea, uh, Also, if you have any idea, just you can connect with us on the Calendly link. And yeah, that's all in this video, guys. In the next video, we're gonna start doing the project setup. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. And we're gonna also provide this code link here as well. So in the description box, you will find the code if you want to download the code. And yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.